Hello, everybody. Today is Thursday, December the 19th. And today, I'm going to be unboxing, on this day 11 sticker label or whatever. I think it just broke apart. Anyways, today, I'm going to be unboxing day 19 of the Christmas Fidget Toy Advent Calendar. So, without further ado, let's unbox day 19 and see what's inside. Ooh. Might have trouble opening this one. Come on. This is getting difficult. Oh my god. Bro, what the heck? Oh my. Okay. This is probably one of the hardest things to open yet. Okay, I think I got it. What's that? What's that? Let me get those thingies out. Oh. Wait, there's another one in here. Hang on. Are those actual rings? Okay. Managed to get those out. But now let's see what I got. Ooh. I think I got some rings. Those are not technically fidgets, but I guess they kind of are because check this out. Let me try putting it on one of my fingers. There we go. Yeah, those are rings. They're small in size, but they kind of fit me. No, they don't fit me on every finger, but they do fit me on some fingers. Like for the index finger, it only goes up to here that it fits. But it's still pretty cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching me unbox day 19 of the Christmas Fidget Toy Advent Calendar. I'll see you guys in the next video for me to unbox day 19 of the Christmas Chocolates Calendar. Bye-bye!